Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. Today, I'm going to talk about a different indicator. There are fundamental indicators, there are technical indicators, and then there are special indicators. Now, special indicators, when we say, it could be anything. On the lighter side, when I used to be a kid, my grandmother used to sit outside and tell my mother, crow is crowing, today there will be guests for lunch. And sometime or the other it will become truth. Guests will be there and she will say, see, I told you. Obviously, nobody pointed many days. It wasn't true at all. So the success rate was very low. But this particular case, what I'm talking of, is a special indicator which is true most of the time. But it rarely happens. That is, this indicator we come across very rarely. But when we come across it, most of the time, it works in our favor. Let us see what is that indicator, how that indicator works, how we can use it. Is it really useful? Is it really something that we can use and benefit from? Yesterday I said, happy days are here again. And a couple of friends called and asked what exactly I mean by that. I said, Nifty has started trending up. So that's what I mean. They asked, the Nifty is trending up. Yes, it opened big gap up this morning, but it closed making a red candle. Yes, true, it made a red candle. Now, because it opened 70 plus points up and closed down 50 points from there, so only net 20 points were up, we are disappointed. You see, as a positional trader, what we need to see is slowly and steadily Nifty is still inching up. Of course, one of these days there could be a few down moves also. Nobody can stop. But then basically, Nifty has started moving up. Now the question is, how did I know? Why did I say that? Along with all the other indicators that we have seen earlier, and again we will see today, there was special indicator that is special indicator. There could be many different special indicators for different people. What I am talking of is special indicator that is the okay. Before going to that, let us just have a look at the Nifty movements in February 2023. This is it. We have seen February last few days, Nifty has started moving up, and that is, we will see here. The reason for that is the indicators have shown that they are going up. That is how I am normally seeing Nifty is trending and trending up, because here earlier part of February it was all in red. Slowly it started becoming green. Now it's almost fully green. So that is the normal indicators, this indicators combo that I use, that is what it's suggesting. But that is supported by the major indicator that I am talking of. The major indicator that I am talking of is FII, DII, cash segment positions lately. You see, last 5 days continuously, FIIs have been net buyers in cash segment. On its own, it is a special thing. FIIs and DIIs being in buy position, net buy position for last 5 days continuously did not happen for quite some time. But on top of it, FIIs as well as DIIs were in net buy position, not only FIIs as well as DIIs, both were in cash position, net buy position for last 4 days. This again is a rare occurrence. Doesn't happen every day. Last time it happened was way back in March, April 2022. That is almost 10 months ago. And at that time, FIIs were net buyers for 6 days continuously. In between 1 day, except for that 1 day, all the other days, DIIs were also net buyers. And the result was from early 17,000, that is 17,200 levels, it went to 18,000 plus. Just in 5-6 days, those 5-6 days that FIIs were net buyers, Nifty went up by almost 800 points. Before that, FIIs and DIIs, that is, last time FIIs and DIIs both were continuously in buy position for 4 days was way back in January 2022, 31st of December 2021 to 5th of January 2022, 4 trading sessions continuously, FIIs as well as DIIs were net buyers. And the result was Nifty started moving up from 17,200 levels to 18,000, and it continued after the FIIs slowly started selling also. Even after that, it went up till 18,300 and odd. So what I'm trying to read into this is, FIIs, when they are in net buy positions continuously, and especially if it is supported by DIIs net buying too, Nifty is expected to go up. That is what I am reading into it. So according to me, Nifty has started trending up, and this is just the beginning. There could be much more to it than normally we expect. So use this. Of course, everything that we are saying can go wrong. Tomorrow some big bear can come and sell and market can go down. That is exception. But normally this kind of signals from other indicators as well as this special indicator of FII positions is important. So if we are trying to go long, do it with stop loss of 17,700 to 17,800 levels, and let us see how it goes. Take care. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. our channels. Thank you very much. Bye bye.